Hello and welcome. In this video, I am going to show you how to edit STL file in NETFABB Basic. NETFABB Basic is a free software. You can also buy it for some advanced functionality. To download NETFABB Basic, go to netfab.com. Here in download section, click on NETFABB Basic and select your system and download it. You can see it's very small. It's only of 10 MB. So after installing NETFABB Basic, you may see a 10 seconds waiting screen, which you can remove by signing in on NETFABB site, and they will provide you a free serial key by which you can remove that waiting field. So to open STL file, go to project, open. Here you can see it can open large variety of file types, or just drag and drop your STL file. Here NETFABB shows a red triangle indicating the STL file is not ready for 3D printing and it has some geometry error. Here you can see in overview its status is incorrect mesh. So you can see overall dimension and other details by selecting part, and here you can see the overall dimension, and here the volume is missing due to the hole in the parts. To see more details, we can go to standard analysis. Here NETFABB shows everything about this STL. So its volume is here, everything, number of triangles, and here it shows number of holes in STL files. Here are 12 boundary edges, and here it shows that surface is closed and next is no, so it's not a closed surface, and so it cannot be 3D printed. To repair it, click on repair. Here, if you have not checked this auto update, check it and it will update these areas. Click on automatic repair, select default repair and click execute. So after executing, click on apply repair and it will prompt to remove all parts. Click yes. And you can see NETFABB has repaired our STL file. Here the warning triangle is gone, and now we can see the total volume of our STL. Also, if you go to overview, it will show in status it is a valid mesh. Also, for other details, you can see in standard analysis that it shows surface is closed. So the STL is now repaired. How to save it? To save it, go to part, export part and select as STL and save where you want to save. Here also NETFABB prompts if there are still errors in our STL file. Click on repair and these are errors also removed, so click export and the clean STL file is now exported. Here you can see. So this is all about. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.